Hello guys, today we are gonna play Roblox again, and let's go. By the way, I'm in cars, so that will be fun. Now Roblox, you're in. Now let's go pick our favorite. Wow, this is my favorite. Let's go get car subscription, then return. Let's go. Hello, let's go play now. I'm ready. No, it won't. Um, I'm ready. Wow, I think so. This is. Oh my God! This is my brother. I'm kicking my brother. What? Yeah. Bye. Let me get my. I didn't not see anything. Hmm. Let's go see in here. I want to get this plane. What the heck is this? Wow, it's so big. Drive it. Let's go drive it. Now, keep on it. I'm. No. Let's go fly. Climb up. Climb up. Babaliktad ko. Okay, sorry. Climb up. Climb up. Climb up. Pull down. No! Yeah, it's not for them. Oh, what just happened? Let's quickly and get two. Yes, land. No. Whoa. Hello. Yeah. How is flying? No. I land ship like the painting. Oh yeah, I think so. I just broke. Now, I think so. My brother just joined again. I don't know why. I'm gonna go to the spawn so I can make sure my brother just go here. What? Lobby. Oh yeah, my brother just joined. Oh, what is this? What's this fast? Oh yeah, this is so fast. Glitch. Open this man. No, my plane. May let's go find some more planes. Now, now about this. This flying skateboard. Oh my God! Can gotta go. Let's go fly to the spawn. I don't know where is the spawn? Just my first time playing it. Let's go land the spawn. Oh no, I'm outside down. No! I'm just like a statue. I could try the next time. I'm gonna just let me try to find me and see me just let me start with. Oh, I see him playing. Oh my god, I see him flying. No! Why did he crash? Go top again. Oh, I think so you see me. Hey brother, I'm just next to the spawn. Are you crashing? I was just crashing or just playing around. Oh no. Oh no. I will just around, don't worry. Just tiko, say. That's so loud. What on? Are you vegan? Give me that. Thank you. I'm glitching. I'm drifting. Oh god. I can grip. What is that plane? I think so that is my brother. I need to reset my character. What the heck? What is that surprise? Let's go find some more that is safe. This can drip. This can drip. Oh, it can drip. What happened? No! My key! No! What happened? Oh, I'm still driving. Oh my god. Only one wheel is stable. Oh, this is flying. I want to go to spawn with this falling car. Where's the spawn? Oh my god, yes! Where's the spawn? Where's the spawn? Where's the spawn? Yeah, where's the spawn? Yeah, where's the spawn? Oh, I see my brother. I think I'm flying. I think so. I need to do this. I need to drop this all home. I think so if I just leave this car, it will be falling down and I think so I can just ride my car. Even if it's down. It's stuck. No, I land it stuck. How can I get out? I don't want to fall. I'm trying to run it. What's that? Oh my god. This is my brother. Yes! With my car glitch. Oh, what the heck? You can push it. Wow. That is kind of funny. Who's driving my car?
Ayaw mo pa kailaman yan.
No! Who is driving my car? You cannot drive my car anymore. I can just quit. Nah, this is my funny series, so come on. I just died with my car. Let's go do this again and make that again. I think so it's gonna be much funnier. I'm stuck with the drift car.
Uy, bakit tatlo yung nakasaksak dyan? Si Short yan, hindi yung nasaksakan ng tatlo. Alisin niyo isa. Hindi maganda yan.
This, another one.
Pwede yung ganyan.
What is
Tatlo yung
this?
nasaksak.
Let's go up again. Just
Ano naman inaabot mo dyan?
let's go. It's for the glitch again. Yes! A glitch! The glitch! Let's find out so we get much glitchier. To get so glitchier, it will need glitch. Let's stay so long. Let's just look free for me. So long. Now I'm back here. I just taught my brother how to charge your phone by yourself so you cannot abort, so you cannot do that again and say that to me. Yeah, you can still climb up, but you need to pick up the system. Yeah. Let's put out for the skis. Yeah, I think so. This is the end of my car.
Ang init na, you know?
What the heck happened? What the hell happened?
Alinsangan.
What the hell? What the? I'm driving! Yay! With no driver. Kind of awful. Oh yes, sir. The most funniest and glitchiest game I ever known. Let's go to the spot again and yay, let's go speed 3 to 1. Yay! Two. can get me flight. That's kind of good. But this is actually not a plane.
Ano daw?
Let's go get this. Let's go get this. Oh yeah, we can fly. Oh no. It's lost balance. It's crashed. Can become to this boy. No! I thought this was good. Is that new character? Again. With my cool plane just crashed. Let's go. Let's go guess what is the most glitchiest wheel. How about this? Because I know this is the most glitchiest because look at the tires. Let's see. Now let's go drive. Oh, my brother just joined again. That's kind of frustrating. It can't climb up. It cannot climb up. It glitches. See you guys on this plate. What is this?
always
Wait a minute. Wow! This is just nothing. I just burp, sorry. How about there's so many planes. There's a freaking car flying. And there's a skateboard. There's an invisible one. Yeah, I need this for the classic map. Another month of returning to the original one. It's another month. Yes, sir. Now, let's go get those. Let's go find my blow. I just gonna sit in here and just do nothing. It cannot glide. Yes, maybe. Yes, maybe. That's the first place. I think so. What it? What's the first place in here? Yay! I won. Dun, dun. Oh, wait a minute. I think so. This will glitch too. That is so funny. Still glitch. But did you know this is so slow? Only just it can now glitch and just fly forever. No, it just glitches. That's still pretty good because there's a speed. Let's go get again the invisible. I thought it's gone. Now it cannot drive in the first place. Now let's go. Slow mo. No, the refill. The fast one. Fast stop. By the way, my favorite part is the wheels. It glitches. Oh no. It glitches too, but only one wheel. That's kind of funny. Oh yeah, I just see the wheel. If someone sees me, it's gonna just laugh. Let me teleport into the lobby. I'm just sitting to the lobby. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Teleport to the lobby. Do-do-do. Just walking. Just seeing blue for someone 20. Just dancing. Oh, let's go see me. What place I'm be. Oh, what is here in the leader? Yes. Nah. See you guys later. This is not kind of fun, but super funny. So bye guys. Wait. Bye guys. This is the longest video.